Your GMC Acadia won't start after a battery swap, so let's walk through the likely culprits to get you back on the road. Statistically, 80% of these cases are just simple connection issues rather than a major mechanical failure. We need to systematically rule out the basics before jumping to conclusions. Start by confirming those terminals are tightened properly, then check your chassis ground and the main starting system fuses. The most common suspects are loose terminals, ground strap corrosion, or the vehicle's security system locking the ignition. Sometimes the body control module loses settings, or a weak key fob battery prevents the immobilizer from disengaging. Try cleaning and tightening the connections first, but if the symptoms persist, leave major module programming to the professionals. As you can see, a loose battery cable remains the overwhelmingly most frequent culprit for a no-start condition. For advanced troubleshooting, perform an OBDI scan and try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes. Keep a basic 10mm wrench, a multimeter, and a simple scanner in your toolkit to handle these diagnostics. Remember, never force a jump start if you suspect a bad connection, as it can cause electrical spikes and damage sensitive modules. Double-check those connections and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching and keep your Acadia running strong.